Hello guys and welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to easily craft a simple BioThane dog leash out of the new color RD526 Crimson Red. Have fun and enjoy watching. First of all, we need a BioThane strap. I took a 2-meter piece and a BioThane cutter, of course, a normal regular screwdriver, snap hook carabiner, some black book screws, and of course a Handyman Press. So first of all, take the BioThane strap and form a hand strap out of one end. Make sure that your hand fits perfectly through it. Then take the Handyman Press and punch a hole through both ends of the BioThane strap. Perfect. Make sure that you are perfectly through on both sides of the strap. Now take a book screw and screw it together. Make sure to screw it very tightly. This looks good. Now let's secure it with even one more screw. Repeat the whole process. Punch a hole through it with a Handyman Press. Take a book screw. And screw it. This looks good. Now the hand strap is finished. Let's move on to the other end. And here we're gonna put the snap hook or carabiner. Thread it through and adjust it how you like. Now take the Handyman Press again and punch a hole through it. This looks good. Now take a book screw again, thread it through, and screw it tightly together. Since the snap hook is on this side and most of the force is exerted on the leash here during use, we should fasten it with a total of 3 book screws on this side. So take the Handyman Press and punch 2 more holes into this side. Perfect. Now repeat the whole process and screw 2 more book screws into it. Your leash is finished now. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscription and a comment if you want.